I mean, the benefits of donkeys being here is, number one, they're part of the heritage. Number two, they can be economic development. They can bring people, we can help people that are on pension, putting programs together with them. And they're Nubian ass donkeys, all right, which are extinct in their homeland and should be protected. And there's letters from genealogists to the government telling them that should happen. Now, as far as the people in Boneiro, everyone I talk to want the donkeys protected. The problem we have is with the planning department, Donkey Sanctuary Boneiro, who actually should, to solve this problem, take care of sick and wounded. We take care of the ones in the wild. All right? That would fix the problem almost immediately. All right? We're not looking for funding from the people. We're not looking for tax money. This can all be done on our own with funding from outside. Also, there's a lot of grants and stuff that are given to nature in the world that we can benefit from. So the people want the donkeys. The people are upset. They're really not happy. All right? And the government should listen to the people. I don't know why. I don't know. They listen to advisors like the Donkey Sanctuary and Frank Van Sloba and people that don't have wildlife experience. All right? We have wildlife experience. They should be using us as advisors, and we can fix the problem. We have a plan. The plan was put together, was given to the government. We removed them from the roads in town, which stopped that problem. All right? We put them far in the Monday in a place where there's water. If not, we make sure there's water there. All right? We can keep them monitored and control the population. We put them there in an amount that's not harmful for the land, but actually beneficial. Why don't they accept it? Very strange. Frank Van Sloba from Drop, number one. Frank Van Sloba. He's in the planning department and advises the government.
From Boneiro or from Holland?
Well, he's a Dutchman that's been here for many years, working with the government. Biologists. There's biologists that came here, all right, that started this whole thing, and they're not from Boneiro, It's strange because our problem is, we look at this and we say, all right, you're a biologist, which is a scientist. You make a report. How come your report only fits your agenda to remove them? How come you don't put all the details about the donkeys, like they help eat the dry stuff, they stop fires from happening, they reseed, there's plants growing that the donkeys, because of the donkeys, they put nitrogen in the ground, which helps other plants grow. They walk through the bush and keep it separated so it don't get suffocated. Why isn't that in their report? So the answer is they're not scientists. Because a scientist looks at both sides of the issue and comes up with a plan. And the proper thing that should be done is a balanced approach, holistic approach, that's good for the people, it's good for the island, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the people that care for them.